Hey guys, make sure you stay till the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, helpful video for any of you guys trying to find where the instrument cluster, instrument panel, gauges, fuses, relays are located on. We're talking guys about that generation Chevy Equinox here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. We will be working guys in multiple fuse boxes. We'll need to check multiple fuses. Please make sure to stay till the end so you don't waste your money on diagnostics and tools that you may not need. By the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now guys. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So the instrument cluster, gauges, also known as instrument panel, fuses, relays, come guys, we will show you where you can find these fuses. We'll be working in multiple fuse boxes today, and the first one, oh by the way, before we start, quick advice guys, if you have that generation Chevy Equinox, there will be hidden fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money. And what we guys need to do here, open the passenger door on the front right, open that door, and in the footwell compartment here on the side of the center console we have a cover. Go ahead and pop that cover open. It's right here guys, and underneath, okay, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, what do we need to check? 2 fuses in that fuse box, then we need to go in a different fuse box and we need to check 4 more guys. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 18. You see that fuse right here? That's the one that we need to check. Then we need to check fuse number 37. So that's 39, 38, 37. Right here, that 10M fuse. Next step, open the hood. When you open the hood, you will be facing your engine guys. And on the driver's side right here, you see that's the fuse box. You have a tab here, a clip here, squish them together, pull the cover up, and underneath you have that fuse box layout here. Specifically here we'll need to check 4 different components guys. You wonder where now? Okay, let's explain now. The first one is fuse number 7 right here, very important fuse that you will need to check. Fuse number 7 right here. Then you need to check fuse number 11 right here, those could be responsible as well. Then we're going to fuse number 14 right there guys. Okay, fuse number 14, and after that we will need to find fuse number 50, that 25M fuse that you see right here as well. Those are the main fuses. Always start with interior fuses, because most of the times when a fuse goes bad for the instrument cluster, it's actually one of the interior fuse box fuses that you need to check guys. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys interior fuse box, we want to show you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.